Hello, my name is Kieran and I like to do things. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hexaflexagon. So first we're going to start by folding your paper down. I'm going to fold it down about maybe 2 centimeters thick or wide. Then you're going to take out your scissors, unfold it, and cut along that crease. This is going to give you a nice, long, even strip of paper. You're going to need this. Make sure you don't do it too wide and do it on the long ways of the paper. I've made many hexaflexagons before and they are difficult to do. So just keep trying if you fail. So here you can see I have it. And now I'm going to fold it in relatively the middle into an equilateral triangle. So you just keep adjusting until the triangle you make in your fold looks like an equilateral triangle. Make it as perfect as you can. As you can see, I'm trying to get this as precise as I can get it. Then you're going to fold the piece of paper over top. And you're just going to keep folding back and forth like that along one strip of paper. I'm doing as many as I can here. It's always better to have more than less. When you're done, you're going to have that little strip of paper left at the bottom. So just cut that off. You don't need it anyways. Perfect. Then you're going to do the same with the other side. Just keep folding. Just keep folding, just keep folding, fold, 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 fold. So you're just going to continue doing this for a little while. Well, I think that's good enough. So we're going to cut, and we're going to cut it again. And now we have 9 equilateral triangles. That's the perfect amount that you need. So I'm going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Okay, so now, as you can see, we need 9 of them. Perfect. Now, you're going to fold these into a hexagon shape. So you're just going to fold them over, and it didn't work. So that's not going to work for me, sadly, as much as I may want to try. So, nope. Here we go. Here's another try at this. Let's take another try. So we're going to fold it again, and fold it again, and it's still not working. Oh, there we go. Okay, it worked. Okay, so now we're going to take our tape, and we're just going to fold those triangles that overlap. That's why you need 9 and not 8, because you need those triangles to overlap with each other, because otherwise it wouldn't hold together very well, now would it? You just fold that along the top, and I'm gonna fold, and oh, okay, I did it wrong. Well, I got a diamond shape. Perfect. Well, let's take this apart. And I'm going to take off the tape because obviously that wasn't working. Okay, so let's take that off. Now again, remember, no matter what you do, just keep trying. Even if it doesn't work, just keep on trying. Because eventually it will work. And the more you do this, the more you know how to do it. I'm quite new to these hexaflexagons, but they astound me, and they're an amazing fidget toy in class, especially while there's boring math and geography. Geography is so boring. Please don't get offended by this, but it's so boring for me. So having one of these to just play with in class and distract me, big win. I'm not sure if that's good, but I like it. Here we go. Let's do this another time. So I have my hands off screen here just because I'm having some troubles getting it on exact. Okay, let's try that, and perfect. And let's try that again, and it flips through, and it flips again, and wow, that's perfect. It's really quite amazing and astonishes me. But look, if you just keep trying, it'll work.